Hey players, so I have been watching the evidentiary hearing on whether District Attorney Willis will be removed from Frumpy Dump's RICO case. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's get into what's happening because we are currently on a 45-minute break and Nathan Wade is on the stand. So as we know, one of Frumpy Dump's co-defendants, Mike Roman, filed a motion to disqualify District Attorney Willis from the RICO case, stating that she had an improper relationship with her special prosecutor, Nathan Wade. Now, since Mike Roman filed this motion, Frumpy Dump, as well as several other co-defendants, have signed on to this disqualification case. So there are several attorneys present during this hearing. Now, the first witness that was called by Mike Roman's attorney was one of District Attorney Willis's former friends. She also was employed at the District Attorney's office until she resigned in 2022. District Attorney Willis's attorneys did attempt to stop her former friend's testimony. However, the judge did allow it. She testified that she met District Attorney Willis when they were in college together. They had a long-running friendship until she resigned from the District Attorney's office in 2022. She stated that District Attorney Willis informed her that she met Nathan Wade in October of 2019 when they were at a conference. She went on to say that they began a romantic relationship shortly after. It's also important to note that she testified that District Attorney Willis was living in a condo that she had leased. Apparently, District Attorney Willis was living with her father at the time. She wanted her own space, so she lived in that condo. However, her friend did not live in the condo with her. She just took over the lease. So the next witness was Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. As we all know, he is the one that is in the romantic, or was in the romantic relationship with District Attorney Willis. Now, they did try to stop his testimony. However, the judge did allow it. He testified that his romantic relationship began with District Attorney Willis in late March of 2022. He also stated that he did meet District Attorney Willis in October of 2019 at a conference, and they spoke in 2019 and some in 2020, just briefly and about work-related things. Again, he testified that the relationship did not become romantic until March of 2022. Now, as far as his marriage is concerned, he says that it was over in 2015 when his wife cheated on him. He stated that they did not file for divorce because they had minor children and agreed to wait until after the children were done with school before they filed for divorce, which he filed for divorce in November of 2021, just one day after receiving the appointment to work with District Attorney Willis on Frumpy Dump's RICO case. He stated in the relationship with District Attorney Willis, he admitted that he did pay for flights and several things with District Attorney Willis, but he was often reimbursed. There was also some type of record entered that he stated in a prior filing that he would pay for things for District Attorney Willis, like flights, because she was worried about people knowing where she was at, because actually a house that he didn't even know she had was doxxed by the Frumpy Dump tank sniffers after the case was filed. He stated that District Attorney Willis is a very independent woman and she would often reimburse him for things that he paid for, or they would kind of share the expenses on the trips. As of right now, we have a trip to Belize, Miami, Napa Valley, California, and a cabin in Tennessee that he admits to. Now, I'm still waiting for anybody in the courtroom to ask the question, what does this relationship have to do with Frumpy Dump and his co-defendant's RICO case? Now, Nathan Wade has not been cross-examined. I'm not sure if District Attorney Willis's attorneys will pose that question, but that is the question that you all have been asking in the comment sections since I've been reporting on this, and it'll be very interesting to hear how Mike Roman is going to tie this relationship into this RICO case. So we have more testimony to go, and I'll be waiting to hear it. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. This is Doe D. Mover reporting for the Black Accurate News.